You will love this Desert Sand Mica '09 Toyota Corolla, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 29,441 miles. Enjoy an exceptional 35 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like anti-theft devices, side airbag system, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, tire pressure monitor, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '09 Toyota Corolla. See us at Johnston's Toyota today.
Johnston's Toyota, Middletown, Monticello. See us at johnstonstoyota.com.